What have you enjoyed most about winter school?
I've enjoyed working in the workshops and with the faculty itself in creative arts and media, because it's such a welcoming environment and you don't feel shame about answering questions or asking questions or participating, because it's just such a great environment to be in.
Probably just getting a good view on what university's like, and I've enjoyed meeting new people that enjoy the same stuff that I do.
What do you hope to get out of winter school?
An insight of what university is like, or what's it going to be like, and the courses, and what you study in the courses, and how they're going to be, or how hard or something I guess they're going to be.
I hope to get insight into see what university is actually like, because it seems to be a lot different to high school.
Has winter school inspired you to attend the university?
Oh, I want to go to university, but I just didn't know what to do, because, I'm doing TAFE, Cert 2 in engineering and TAFE, but because I'm doing that Cert 2, so I wanted to find something else to come uni to do.
The environment is really cool, and the faculties in the buildings, like the library, are really cool.